Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term Postcolonial Studies. Introduction. Postcolonial studies have emerged as a critical field of analysis exploring the history, culture, literature, and discourse of former colonies of European imperial powers. This interdisciplinary approach sheds light on the legacies of colonialism and challenges the dominant Eurocentric narratives that have shaped perceptions of the colonized world. This video delves into the key themes and issues in postcolonial studies, including the rejection of Western imperialism, the construction of the colonial subject, and the expansion of the literary canon to include postcolonial writers. The influence of Orientalism. Edward Said's seminal work, Orientalism, played a pivotal role in postcolonial studies. Drawing from Michel Foucault's discourse analysis, Said critiqued the Eurocentric construction of the Orient as an exotic and inferior other. He exposed the cultural imperialism perpetuated through the dissemination of Eurocentric discourse in subjugated colonies. Said's critical insights laid the foundation for a counter-narrative that sought to reclaim the legacy of colonial cultures. The concept of subaltern. Postcolonial studies grapple with the notion of the subaltern, a colonial subject constructed by European discourse. This term, signifying someone of inferior rank, encompasses the marginalized and silenced voices of the colonized. Scholars like Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak have examined how subalterns internalize European discourse and whether they can resist it. The subaltern struggle for representation and agency becomes a central issue in postcolonial analysis. Rejecting the master narrative. A fundamental aim of postcolonial studies is to reject the master narrative of Western imperialism. The influential collection, The Empire Writes Back, highlights the hybridization of colonial languages and cultures, showcasing indigenous traditions overlaid with imperialist imports. Counter-texts challenge the Eurocentric version of colonial history, aiming to reinsert colonial cultures into world history on their own terms. Formation of postcolonial subjectivity. Postcolonial studies also examine the formation of postcolonial subjectivity within Western discursive practices. Scholars explore how colonial subjects conceive themselves and perceive the world. Homi Bhabha's The Location of Culture and others delve into complexities of postcolonial identity shaped by both colonial and indigenous influences. Expanding the literary canon. Another significant aspect of postcolonial studies is the effort to expand the literary canon. Previously overlooked postcolonial writers from Africa, Asia, and Caribbean and other regions are now being included in academic curricula. Works by Chinua Achebe, Wole Soyinka, V.S. Naipaul, and Salman Rushdie are celebrated for their innovative narratives and insights into the postcolonial condition. Conclusion. Postcolonial studies have provided a transformative lens through which to analyze the historical and cultural experiences of former colonies. By deconstructing Eurocentric norms and reclaiming the voices of the subaltern, this field has reshaped literary and cultural studies. The ongoing growth of postcolonial studies reflects its importance in fostering a more inclusive and diverse understanding of global narratives. So this was the discussion on the term postcolonial studies. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.